Let's just say you understand these tools and what they can do, and you decide that your narrative is to not use the tools because you're going to stay slow and steady and hand done and handcrafted. And that's your story. And when 90% of the industry is doing the automated version, you are the few that's not. And those that are seeking that can find you. And so we're not saying everyone should jump into blockchain and everyone should use AI. But when you understand it, then you can say, well, how does this align with what I'm doing? Why should I care? And, and how do I do it in a way where I'm not compromising the integrity of my brand story? So if speed isn't compromising your integrity of what your brand story is, well, maybe don't use it for speed. Maybe use the tools for research. Maybe use it for sustainability. Maybe use it for wellness and mindfulness for your employees. Bring in some technologies or some gaming apps or things like that that will increase the mindfulness, the happiness, the mental health of your employees. So when they're doing these slower tasks that's authentic to your brand, they're doing it in a happier state of mind, which means you're going to end up with a better product. And they may actually create more without compromising quality because they're optimized. So again, it's not that everyone needs to copycat what the other person's doing, but the understanding. That's why I say start with the education. Get a sense of what these terms mean. And you don't have to go down the rabbit hole like we all did here on the podcast, but get a basic understanding, like the ABCs. So then you can communicate with your advisors and your agencies, your partners, your technical partners in a way that's going to more effectively address the problems that you want to increase by looking at those 3 silos that I mentioned.